Hello, welcome to Obscura. We are about to give the first demo for the Wave 1 for the Phoenix Buildathon. So for the first we will see how the a business and the lender communicate in the ecosystem. So let's first start by connecting our wallets. So starting off from the point of view of a business is um, the post bombs. Then so to come up with should be to soon would also include Prevera as a way to provide identity for these invoices. Since we are in a wave one, we have not yet integrated that yet. Submit. Yeah, we sign in. So we have that saved up. So now we are on our dashboard and we can see we are already verified. See we are verified. So let's create our invoice. So the amount. So it's up by trigger yes. And what date do we expect this to be done? We'll start the process of encrypting this, and this is going to be minted as a token. Take a few seconds for it to get done. So we can see it's submitting the invoice, and we can confirm. So now that we have it, we can view an Explorer or we can return to our dashboard. So which loads up. So now we can request score. So this is token ID. I've added other tests, so that is why it's number 5 now. So we can confirm this. This does the scoring, and can also see the transaction on the scan. So let's have transaction here. We can finalize our score. So this will make it available for the lender to see it. And let's do that here. It takes some time to reflect. You can see now we have our score. So from here, let us take a look at it from the perspective of a lender. So I'll disconnect and switch my wallet. Let's take note. So I think this wallet has been used as a test before, so you might find it easy to see some transactions that has been done on it. So double call, and now we enter as a lender. Okay, finish turn 4. Then we can see this and we can fund the position. So you just get the details, the amounts, while it still protects what the user wants to show and what the SME wants to show, and still kind of just let them hold the power to keep privacy. With this, you can still fund the position and confirm. So you can go back to marketplace and now we can see here we have settled and active. So this is when it's active based off of the new invoice we just added. Then let's go back to our small business and see what it looks like. So let me just switch this quickly. Mm, there we go. So let's kind of go ahead again. I can go to our dashboard. We can see clearly here now that it has been funded. So in future, there will be access to now they have access to do whatever they want to with the provided funding, and now they can also do what they can also refund pay. So they initiate settlements, and we also have a way where we would have audit trail so that all of this can be audited when required. So let's confirm. So let's finalize the amount that is going to be paid based off of the financing fee and calculations that to refund to the lender. So, now we can just download the ledger and have access to like documentations. We can also view and explore like other things. So we can always see these things on chain, even though they are private. We can see the necessary data that are available to be seen by the public. Then we can pay the advance. Um, so that we can see that this has been settled. And so the last phase now will be from the lender's side of things. So let's switch again to under wallets. Connect wallets, go to our dashboard, and so we can see that it is settled now and everything has been returned as required. So for the wave one, we have all our user stories planned that we planned for. We have it all achieved. So we'll continue building on this for the next wave.